Hello and welcome back. Cradiac has unveiled its inaugural gravel bike. It's making waves in the market as the next big thing, grabbing everyone's attention. So I present to you Cradiac's latest creation, the Cradiac Concept, the Shimano 24-speed gravel bike. So let's see the remarkable features that make this bike a true standout. Let's kick things off by diving into the heart of the Cradiac Concept, its incredible frame. Crafted from 6061 alloy, this 18.5-inch frame not only provides durability but also ensures a comfortable and safe riding experience. It's the perfect companion for your gravel adventures. The dark blue color not only looks stunning but also reflects the adventurous spirit of the bike. The bike features a Shimano 24-speed system. The smooth and reliable shifting is facilitated by the Shimano Altus M315 shifters, the Shimano Altus M310 front derailleur, and the Shimano Acera M3020 rear derailleur. The bike has a Shimano 8-speed cassette. The Shimano chain wheel and the chain work seamlessly to deliver a consistent and efficient power transfer, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride. The bike has an alloy rigid fork, making it more lightweight. The double-wall alloy rims contribute to the control and stability of the bike, ensuring a reliable performance. Paired with the 700x47C nylon tires, you can confidently conquer any gravel path with ease. Safety is paramount, and the Cradiac Concept delivers with its 160mm dual disc brakes. You can experience precise and powerful braking, giving you the confidence to navigate through any terrain. For the best comfort, the bike comes with an Ergo PU saddle. The quick release feature on the saddle allows for easy adjustments, ensuring a personalized riding experience. The alloy seat posts add to the overall lightweight design of the bike. You can see the alloy pedals here. The alloy pedals provide a sturdy platform for efficient pedaling. The 680mm curved handlebar with the 80mm alloy stem provide a balanced riding position, which offers comfort during long rides. Experience precise steering and control as you tackle diverse terrain. The alloy hub with seal bearings enhances durability and reduces friction, which ensures a smooth riding experience. The front and rear hub also has a quick release feature, which allows for easy wheel removal and transportation. The 125mm rubber grips with the alloy rings provide a comfortable and secure grip. The alloy brake levers add a touch of style to the Cradiac Concept. The Cradiac Concept is not just a bike, it is a statement. I'm sure that this gravel bike will provide a thrilling experience for those seeking the ultimate gravel biking experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Do like, share and subscribe. Happy cycling!